there is an important relation between the radius of a nucleus and its atomic mass, that is mass number. It is actually given by, that is R, that is the atomic radius, is proportional to, that is cube root of atomic mass, that is mass number. That is, it can be represented as R is cube root of atomic mass or mass number, and R is equal to, you can put that is the proportionality, you can introduce the proportionality constant, which is nothing but 1.4 into 10 power minus 13. This is the important proportionality constant, into A, the mass number, divided power 1 by 3. Cube root 2 is nothing but power 1 by 3, is it not? So by knowing the value of atomic mass, that is mass number, you can calculate the radius. So you may be interested to calculate the uranium radius. Okay, let me consider the uranium 235. Uranium 235. We are interested to calculate this, and here it is given as 238. Let us take 238. Uranium 92, 238. Now this is the radius that we know already, that is R. So what we have suggested, R is equal to 1.4 into 10 power minus 13 times of A power 1 by 3. So A is nothing but 238, you can substitute. So we are substituted here, and it should be done by, it is very easy to adopt the, make use of the calculator, but let us go by the logarithm, because you should know the calculation, how to do the calculation using logarithm. So it is given as 1.4 into 10 power minus 13 into, and what is that, A power 1 by 3. So here, which is nothing but, what is A here, 238. So 238 power 1 by 3, that is cube root of 238. Now let us apply logarithm, so we can adopt the product rule here. So when you introduce logarithm, what happens, you have to find out the log value of 1.4, and this is being that is a product, you have to adopt the product rule, that is you have to add. So in that case, log 10 to the base, to power, these are all log to the base 10. So log 1.4 to the base 10, log 10 power minus 13 to the base 10, plus log 238 power 1 by 3. So you can apply the power rule, you can bring it here. Now we have got the log value of 1.4, log value of log power 10 power minus 13, etc. So here how you can proceed, this is 1.4, for which you have got the value 0.146, and for 10 power minus 13 it is a bar 13. And what about this? This is 13 bar. And what about this? This is, you can apply the power rule. So 1 by 3 into, and for log 238 you had to check 23 in 8, so 2.376. So when you apply all these things, you are able to get this value and find out the anti-log. So anti-log of this one gives you, that is 8.67 into 10 power minus 13. That is, this 13 bar can be taken away straight away here, and for 0.938 the anti-log is 8.67 in single digit. Okay, so in a single decimal point, so you can put 8.67 into 10 power minus 13 centimeter, and that is the radius. Suppose if it is given in meter, means that is centi means what, 10 power minus 2. So in that case you have to multiply by 10 power minus 2. Therefore 8.6 into 10 power minus 15 meter. Okay, and if you want to give this in terms of Armstrong, you can split like this: 8.6 into 10 power minus 10 meter into 10 power minus 5. So in that case it is 8.6 into 10 power minus 5 Armstrong. Okay, right?